there, this is Emily from the Oil Region Library Association. In this video, I want to show you how to renew your materials and place holds online using your library account on our catalog. You'll want to be logged into your library account to get started. If you aren't sure how to access your account, you can check out our video about signing into your account. First, we'll look at how to renew your materials. So starting on the main page of the catalog after you sign in, you'll want to click on your account in the upper right portion of your screen. So we'll go up here, click ORLA's account, and that'll take you to the account summary page. So we'll want to navigate over to the account activity tab. Go ahead and click on that. So on the account activity page, you'll see your list of items that you have checked out. So you can see I have one book here checked out, and I want to renew that book. If you just want to renew one item, you can see that underneath the item that I have here, there's an orange box that says Renew Loan. You can just go ahead, click on that, the page will refresh, and your item will be renewed. So if you have more than one item that you'd like to renew, you can go ahead and click on these boxes here that are to the right of the items that you do want to renew. Once you have all of those selected, go ahead and hit Renew at the top of the screen here. If you want to renew all the items you have out, you can click on this box right next to where it says Renew, and that will select each item that you have out. So after all those items are selected again, go ahead and click Renew. If your item cannot be renewed for whatever reason, another screen will pop up and let you know that. If this happens, you can contact the library. You might have run out of renewals, or another patron might have a hold placed on the item that you want to renew. So next, I'm going to show you how to place a hold on an item. You might want to put a hold on an item because you aren't able to make it to the library right away. Maybe the item is checked out currently, or it could be a popular new title and you want to make sure that you have your place in line to read it. So let's go ahead and search for a book that we can place a hold on. For more tips on searching and filtering your searches, you can check out our video on searching and filtering the catalog. So let's go ahead and put a hold on Where the Crawdads Sing. All right, so in this case, we see that the book is not available. So we can place a hold on this item to make sure that we can reserve our place in line to read this book. So on our search results page, we can go ahead and place the hold right here. There's this orange button right here that I can click to place a hold. This page will pop up asking you where you'd like to pick up the book, so you can select any 3 of our locations that you'd like to pick it up from, and go ahead and click Submit Hold. Now, I could also click on the item, bring up its details page, and you can see that orange button is right here again. You can go ahead and place the hold from this page as well. So if we navigate back to our account activity page and click on Holds, you can see that book that we just put on hold is listed right here. It'll tell us what our position in the queue is. So we are second in line right now. So somebody has it checked out right now, and there's one other person in front of us who has a hold on this item. So we'll be second in line to get it. So on this page, we can also cancel the hold if we don't want that item anymore, or we can suspend the item until a further date. Let's say I don't need this book for another 2 weeks. So I can go in, click Suspend Until, and change the date for 2 weeks into the future here. So when the page refreshes, you'll see the status says suspended until 2 weeks from today. So it'll have the date listed there that your hold will reactivate. I recommend that if you're suspending a hold, you suspend it until a couple days before you actually need the item. So there's that little bit of wiggle room there just in case it's not in right away. So if I decided that I don't want this hold to be suspended, I can go ahead and click Reactivate, and I'll go back to my position second in line here. So if it turns out I don't want this book anymore, I don't want to be on hold for this book anymore, on this page you can go ahead and cancel your hold as well. Just click on Cancel, the page refreshes, and you are off the holds list for that item. So I have nothing on hold anymore. I hope you found the information in this video to be helpful. Be sure to watch out for more ORLA tutorials.